Is this another guitar? You have got to be kidding me. Okay, in a previous unboxing video, I unboxed this vintage modified 70s, and I've been playing this for a while. Whenever I unboxed this guitar, I was also talking about the other one, which this was this regular Squier vintage modified, and that's a see-through blonde. Now, one thing I didn't know about this one is, as of this year, it is no longer available. I like this guitar so much I was going to get the vintage blonde one. Everywhere was out of them. Well, I just happened to be browsing a week ago and I noticed that Sweetwater had one of these and it was £7, which is light, and I couldn't believe it. So what this is the vintage blonde Squier vintage modified. I got the last one that Sweetwater had and is probably gonna have, because this is just a reference page. Since I have a previous unboxing video of the vintage modified 70s, I'm gonna kind of blaze through this one. There's the candy. Oh yeah. Nothing feels cold. Yeehaw. Got the white Damasio Strat. All right, here's the whammy bar, tremolo bar, and the tools. It looks like it survived. I hope it survived. Yeah. Ha-ha! Dude, light as a feather. Look at it floating. It's floating through the air. Look at that. See how you can see the grain through this? This one's got the white plastics. This one has the one string tree. They call this Indian Laurel, and they call the other one Rosewood. See, in my other video, I was explaining why I didn't want to get the see-through blonde, because you can see stuff like this. But hey, it's cool. I got one of them. So there you go, guys. The see-through vintage blonde. Discontinued color. Squier vintage modified with the white plastics, white plastic Duncan design, Indian Laurel. This one's got the one string tree. Regular vintage modified 70s has the two string trees. Hey, thanks for checking the video out. I go live every Tuesday morning, 10 a.m. and upload every Friday. To all my subscribers, thank you, and I'll see you next week. There's a subscribe button. Cheers.